Hello, in this tutorial we will go over how to do your general setup for your new portal. What will happen is in the other video it'll showing you how to get over to the portal section where your portal is. You'll click on your portal, then you'll log in. If you haven't, actually you'll probably log in, and then what you do is you come over to this section here. You see where it says admin. Depending on the template you use, because if it's either on the left or right or top, it doesn't matter. Just find the admin and click on admin. And once you click on admin, close analytics because we're not using that for right now. You go to general setup. Click on general setup and then you put your name and information in this section here. And then you'll say if you want to have the counter on there, whatever information. Then this gives you, which we showed in a different tutorial on your website layout. This is where all your web pages are going to be, as well as modules are going to be on one of these pages. So what you would do is, if you kind of already kind of look through it, you'll usually this one would be your top menu, which will show up on the top. The third one is usually the side menu, and then either 6 or 7, depending on your template, would either be your bottom menu, your footer menu. So whichever ones that is, just put those in there. Just go ahead and put, like, for instance, top. We'll check it out and see if that happens. Top menu, which is a side menu, and then we'll try 7, and then footer. So that way, as you organize your website, you'll put certain pages you want to be seen in a certain area, and we'll go through that in a second as we do our setup. But the main part right now is just getting this done. Then what you do is you just hit save. Once you put your information there, this won't be seen there. I have the full admin because I'm the owner of the whole community, so you won't see this. But then you go back to setup again. Oh no, excuse me. Then you go to change your template. There's a whole we haven't done it yet. But here this is where you can come in and change your template. And what we'll do is we'll use the current template that I already used for the sake of this tutorial. Click on edit template. It'll take a second depending on how fast. Okay. So now, don't worry about changing these. These are just the names and description just for the admin area. So if you look on, let me click over here, going back to the main. So if you look here, you have main menu, then you have site menu, sponsors. Then you can add or take away whatever. With sponsors, that's for the advertising module, which you go through us for that part, and we'll talk about that depending on your membership. That you either have full access to be able to sell advertising on here, as well as the banner ads, which would be right about here. But again, for this demonstration, we're not talking about that right now. So let me refresh the screen to see if we were right on the other. There we go. Yep, menu there, and then footers down below. And so once you've done that, let's go back to. So what you would do is, if you want to turn on features on your web pages, you can see who's online, which are the members who were online at the time. Your site statistics or stats, which is how many people have come to your page and so forth. If you want polls to be shown, as well as newsletters. The newsletter, right now, the only newsletter portal we have, newsletter option you have is for us to do it. So we'll work out something to send out newsletters for you and create newsletters with you, so that way you'll be able to advertise. And there's also some other stuff we can do as well to help you to do that. And then the rest, so you can come here, you can change your temperature. If you go back over here, this area here, which is your header picture, header image, you change it right here. Default is 920 by 242, which is pixels, 920 pixels across by 242 pixels down. And then all you do is create that, and then either GIF, just GIF, or JPEG, or PNG to do that. So if you want GIF, it moves. Static is JPEG, and as well as PNG, which is transparent. And so all you do is click here, and then you go find it, and then you upload it from there. I won't do that for actually. We'll do that for now. We'll show you real quick. We'll use this one, which is the one for started today. So what you do is you put it there, hit save. You change the template, go back over, refresh your screen, and you'll see it there. And so that's how you do that. That's the basic information, I believe. Is there anything else? Nope, that's it. That's how you do your general setup for your new community. Thank you. See you on the next tutorial.